Today I'll show you how to make a vertical scrolling timeline inside After Effects. So let's begin by creating a text layer. Right-click this area, New, and then Text. Type in the date you have in mind for your animation. This could be a year, a month, whatever. After you've typed your first line of text, hit Enter on your keyboard to move one line down. Actually, hit Enter 4 times to give space for your next line of text. And then let's type in 2011. Let's move downwards and write in 2012. And then 2013, etc. I'm gonna fast forward this boring portion, but you get the idea. Here, as you can see, I have written all of these dates, and now what we need to do is recenter this text layer in the middle. Make sure that the Align tab is activated, and then using the Align tab, recenter the text. Actually, before doing that, click on this icon, and then click on Action/Title Save. This will display safe margin guides on the screen, which will help us accurately center the text. Drag the text until the first date is shown on the screen, and then try to align this vertically with the safe margins on the sides. Then, with the Align tab, click on this icon to align it horizontally. Alright, so next up, activate the rectangle tool, and then draw a rectangle over the first date, which is 2010 in my case. Press V on the keyboard, then select your shape layer, and align it in the center. Perfect. Now we're gonna add some customization to this shape. Go to the Effects panel and apply the Gaussian blur effect onto it. In the Effect Controls panel, drag the blurriness value up to 100 and then uncheck this option called Repeat Edge Pixels. Now click on Toggle Switches/Modes and then click on Track Matte and set it to the next layer that you have on the timeline. And just like that, the text will now only appear inside the shape layer. Instead of showing the entire text, the text will only appear inside the layer above, which is the rectangle shape we created. Let me just scale down the shape layer a little bit. Now the trick is, in order to make the scrolling animation happen, select your text layer and hit P on the keyboard to bring up the position settings. Go back to the first frame on your timeline, hit the stopwatch to make the first keyframe, move about 4 seconds forward. This could be less or more depending on your preference. Then once you're here, change the Y value until the last date is shown on the screen. Now all you have to do is smooth these keyframes up, so select them and hit F9 on the keyboard, which is equivalent to the Easy Ease option in After Effects. And with that being selected, go ahead and enter the graph editor. Make sure you're on the Edit Speed graph, and then drag this yellow line towards the center using your cursor. And after that, drag this right yellow line towards the middle portion as well. And by doing so, your graph is gonna look like a mini version of, I don't know, the Eiffel Tower. Anywho, this is how the animation looks like. You can also hit Toggle Switches/Modes and activate the motion blur for your text. This will make the animation smoother and add realistic motion blur, just like you see on the screen right here. You can also add a sound effect using the AE Juice plugin if you want, link in the description. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.